In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pets in a booking in Ownerrez. To get started, open Ownerrez and make sure you're already on the homepage. This is where you'll begin the booking process. Once you're in, look for the Create Booking option and click it to open a new booking form. From here, you'll start entering the basic reservation details. First, add the arrival date. Be sure to choose the correct check-in date since this will affect availability and pricing. Next, add the departure date so the system knows the full length of the stay. After that, select the booking source. This tells Ownerrez where the reservation is coming from, so make sure you choose the appropriate option for the booking you're creating. Once the source is selected, move to the number of guests section and enter the guest count as needed. Now this is the key part for pet reservations. In the pets field, add the number of pets that will be included with the booking. This is important because it allows the reservation to accurately reflect occupancy details and any pet-related rules or fees tied to the property. Once you've entered those details, click Create Booking again to continue. This takes you into the full booking page where you can review the information you just entered. On the booking screen, look for the occupancy section. Here, you'll be able to confirm that the pets have been included in the reservation details. In the number of guests area, you should see that the pet count is now part of the booking information. This is a good moment to double check everything before moving on, especially if your property has occupancy limits or specific pet policies. Next, enter the guest information. Fill in the required guest details carefully so the booking record is complete and accurate. Taking a moment here to verify the information can help avoid issues later when managing the reservation. Once everything has been entered, don't forget to save the booking. Saving makes sure all of your updates, including the pet count, are officially recorded in Ownerrez. And that's it. That's how you add pets when creating a booking in Ownerrez. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to review the occupancy section before saving, just to confirm the pets were added correctly. This helps keep your booking details accurate from the very beginning.